Hi, welcome back to Chase Militaria. So today we're going to talk about this lovely Russian 44. So basically, as you can see, it's Russian 44. It's a Model 3. So it's pre-World War I, World War One, and yeah, basically the sad things about these. So up until a couple of years ago in the UK, these were classed as obsolete, basically, which meant you could own these live, but with no ammunition. So they weren't deactivated up until a couple of years ago. And then the government, they changed the law and basically made these illegal being live. So basically you weren't allowed them anymore. And that's because they were deactivated. Now the worst part was, when these were obsolete, these used to sell for £2,000, £2,500, maybe more, depending on the type, depending on condition. But they were a good couple £1,000. And then suddenly overnight, they became illegal to own and they had to be deactivated. Now what that meant was you had to pay £100 odd to get it deactivated, but then the value dropped from £2,000, £2,500, whatever it was, down to 500 quid, £600. So yeah, obviously people who collected these when they were obsolete weren't very happy. But they're lovely pistols. Like I said, it's Russian 44. It's a Model 3. This one has got the day 1891 on it, so 1891. And basically, what you can see, I'll take a close up on the other video, is you've got the Russian stamp in there, and then you've got the Austrian stamp in there. So what that meant was the Austrians captured it and reissued it during World War One. So yeah, it's got a bit of history to it, being in Russian possession and in the Austrians' possession. But yeah, it's a nice looking pistol. Like I said, Model 3. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed a little bit about the video, and we'll be doing more. So we'll see you soon. Thank you very much.